Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power to the modem and router. This protects electronics and gives you safe access. Once done, unplug the cable to prevent wake signals. You need a small screwdriver, wire stripper, a replacement clip or crimp, and a continuity tester. This saves time because makeshift fixes fail. Now inspect the clip and jack it closely. Look for bent pins, split plastic, or embedded dirt. If the plug is cracked or pins are misaligned, you proceed to remove it. Do not force the cable yet. You strip roughly 1/2 inch of the outer jacket and untwist pairs only as far as needed. This preserves signal integrity. Then arrange wires in the chosen standard, typically T568B, and flatten them so contacts match the plug slots. This prevents crosstalk. Once aligned, push the wires fully into the replacement clip so the conductor tips reach the gold contacts. Crimp firmly using a proper crimper or a controlled vise. After crimping, you must test each pair with a continuity tester to confirm no opens or shorts. You reconnect the repaired cable and power on the modem and router, then watch the link LEDs. Solid or blinking indicates a physical link. Next, run a quick speed or ping test to confirm performance. If it's unstable, add a strain relief or cable tie so the clip isn't under tension. If problems persist, swap in a known good cable to isolate the issue and test the same port with another device. One key troubleshooting tip: if LED behavior is odd, test continuity again and recheck pair order. Miswired pairs mimic bad hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.